Guys, look how much I did in it and look how it turned out. Guys, oh my god, I worked so hard on this and I didn't even get anything. Guys, look at how bad it is. Look at that side. I worked on this for nothing. I'm just gonna try to keep taping it until it gets better. The tape's falling off of it. So I'm just going to keep it because it is really soft and it still is together, kind of. But I just don't like how the tape keeps falling off. And I think I'm going to be waiting way too late now. This is how it turned out. And I don't like it because I'm just going to cut off the areas. God, this is so bad, guys. I don't like this at all. Did my squishies go away now from me? Okay, this is in my collection. Now let's get on to the next one. So the next one is going to be kind of different. Because it's not going to be a bun. Because buns are really hard to do. And that's just gone ruined. And I almost wasted all my tape on that. That is bad, because I need tape for other squishies. Of course my hair's in the way. Now we're just going to try to get one piece of paper, or maybe a million. Try to get it out, try to get it out, try to get it out. Got it! Yay! Oh! Got it out. Next one is gonna be what I normally do. It might be a small circle. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I seriously don't know what I'm gonna do. What should I do? Should I do what I normally do, like a square or something? I don't know, because I haven't been doing much squishies because I didn't have paper for like 2 days, I think. So I guess we're just gonna do like my first one, but oh my god, why do I keep doing that? Bigger. So we're just done that. And now I'm just gonna smooth it out. Now I'm almost done smoothing it. I just need to take out the small pieces. So we did that. Now we're gonna draw. I don't know if I should draw a face on this one. Should I just do some pink chocolate dripping down? Oh my god, guys, I just had the best idea. We should do pink dropping down. So we're just gonna do that. So now we're gonna do it. Now I'm just coloring in right now. I don't want to like stop talking because every time I stop talking, the phone just turns off and I have to restart the stuff. So I don't know what to say, but yeah. Now we're just gonna do some sprinkles. I think I might just do blue sprinkles. Yeah. So blue sprinkles, blue sprinkles, blue sprinkles. So the blue sprinkles, the stuff falling down. So now I think I might want to cut these corners, not 2 circles, but circles, like around, like these things. See what I mean? perfect. And then I just cut these circle things. Now we're going to tape it. I hope to God it will not do the same thing like it did, because I did not like it. I was just gonna tape that. No. This one is kind of good, but the part I don't like about it is that it has a really big thing right there, but it is super duper squishy. And I wasted all my tape on it. Okay, stop going black, okay? Now, tape should be the same size as the other. Perfect. Now, we just gotta cut the X's off.
Anna, you can have some too?
Okay. Now we have the hole. Stuff it with stuffing. Always has to be stuffing or paper base. I don't want to put too much because I think that's why it turned out really bad, is because I accidentally put too much. I wish I could make it go away, but the only thing that will make it go away is throw it out, and I don't want to throw it out because it's really pretty. I worked so much hard on it. I don't think this one's going to be the same thing as the other one. Let's just get our tape out now, again. So the round parts are really hard, so I'm just going to put it in on the back. Stop! And then cut the small pieces off. Just do that. No, I accidentally put it inside. Yeah. This one's not as good as the other one, but still really good. It's just this weird cake I just made thing. You could call it cake maybe, I don't know, if you wanna. So the last thing I'm gonna do is color a peach, and that's it, and yeah, we're done. And I'm just gonna start coloring the peach. Oh my god, the tape's coming off. Is the tape good for this stuff? I don't know. Oh my god. No, don't go black, don't go black, don't go black. I'm almost done coloring it, guys. Oh my god, the tape is so bad. Just gotta color it fast. One little bit of tape will not hurt, because this and this is coming out. Ooh, it's actually pretty nice. I like it a lot. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Subscribe. If you did subscribe, just go down to the red button and just subscribe and turn on those notifications and ring that big fat bell. And yeah, bye.